What's up, guys? Yes, today I'm gonna be going into duos with the laser beam kit that I added back, and we're gonna be doing some helicopter memes. We're gonna be staying in a helicopter all game almost.
Right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
Okay, so we went to Pleasant Park. We're just gonna try to find some crash pads. Also, laser beam can hear me. He's on Discord, but he doesn't have a mic, so I can't really record it. I really hate this game.
Right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
Okay, so we have a helicopter, crash pads. Oh my god, there's already kids shooting at us. Okay. He's beamed. Come on, man, you stole my kill. Okay, let's get in this helicopter. Let's go. Okay, so there's 16 people left, and there is a big circle, so we're just gonna fly around. Oh, come on, man. Oh wait, that was you shooting me. Okay. You know what, this is easier than I thought, because like there's no one shooting down. There's no one shooting us down. Probably because they don't want to get in a fight with us. Supply drops like coming like right over there, down there. Anything? Oh yeah, at the mini agency, like right over there. Yeah, I was hiding in a garbage can all game, and I got second place. Okay, we're in a cloud right now. Okay, we're just gonna stay here. He wants to snipe someone, that's what he told me. Nope, no one's there. Okay, one of the matches, we accidentally went into the storm and we died, so I'm not putting that in. Okay, so there's 7 people left, and it's a pretty small storm circle. Let's get to the circle right now. So that means there are like 5 people against us, so like 2 duos and 1 solo person. Okay, now it's 2 duos against them. Okay, they're fighting. Like, it looks like they're pushing right now, so we're just gonna watch this. Yeah, they're building. Oh, the fight's happening. The moment we've been waiting for. Okay, they should die. Come on, die, die, die. Are they dead? Come on, man, die. Okay, so in a few seconds they might die, so let's just stay on this helicopter, and then when they shoot us, we're just gonna jump down with a crash pad. Okay, 5 people left. 4 people left, let's go! 4 people left. Yes, there's 4 people left, and when they shoot at us, we'll go down. Okay, it's been a few minutes, and they haven't even shot us down yet, so I don't think they even know we're up here. Oh, okay, we're getting shot. Yeah, we're getting shot. Oh, jump, let's go. Okay, throw the crash pad. Shoot at them a few times. What? Okay. That's so annoying. I'm not a good build battler, by the way. My teammate literally died off crash pads. Oh my god, how did they not kill me yet? Okay, I'm running away. It'd be good to play some intense music right about now. We got this. We got this. Oh, they're going down, they're going down. What? Okay, at least we got second place, but I still hate this game.
Right foot up, left foot slide. Left foot up, right foot slide.
Okay, so there's 4 people left, and they're in like a box, like right around there. Yeah, over there. Yeah. And we're just gonna stay here. And when they shoot us, we'll go down. I'll also play some loudspeaker music. Yeah, we probably would have won that match if the crash pads didn't work. I mean, if the crash pads worked. Yeah. Okay, so we're just... do they even know we're up here? Like, is this all... Oh, okay, they know. Okay, as soon as they break it, 900 health will go down. Okay, play some intense music. Let's go. I bet these guys are like super low. No, they probably met it off and what? This game is so stupid. How does that happen? Man, this is so dumb. Wow. This game is so dumb. Like, okay, stop dancing. I don't like dancers. Like, I mean, you probably even bought that fake recon expert.